In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to share your focus status with others on your macOS device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is select the Apple icon up in the menu bar and then select System Settings. On the left side, you want to go down and select where it says Focus. Go ahead and select that. And then on the right side where it says Focus Status, when you give an app permission, it can share that you have notification silence when using Focus. Go ahead and select that. And you have to toggle that on. And that's pretty much it. You would have to have share across devices enabled first, and then you can go about turning on focus status. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.